see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me.
Thank you.
Ah, sige na.
Okay.
Make sure the fire's out. It's a real golf ball.
Is it good?
That's yours, Holly. You can open that one. That's yours.
What you gonna say? What you gonna say?
Hold on for
What?
a sec, CJ.
PJ, wait, Baba. Hold him on.
That's yours.
Wait, go.
Money.
You wait, Kuya. No, to someone to give it to you. Wait. Okay, because we don't know which one is yours.
No, I'm not. Why?
He's helping
Yeah,
you.
I'm helping Holly. Okay.
What's that, Holly? Lipstick.
Sugar.
What's that, Baba?
Yeah, I think the stick might be a stick.
Hello, Baba. Oh,
Here, Paul.
not
Is
you.
it your birthday?
Wow! Ay, ang ganda! Kanino yung galing? Ay, thanks, Tita Reyes! Wow! Kala mo,
Goes around your neck, here,
It's
necklace.
a bracelet.
it's a bracelet. Okay, look!
CJ,
What you gonna say to Tita Reyes? What you gonna say to
you need to choose one box. The
Which
top
one?
or the bottom one?
Which one you want
You
now?
choose one, though.
The
You
top
choose
one?
hers and the other one's Zach's.
Oh, sa!
Look! Birthday present this year from us.
Wow! It's your birthday?
CJ's first, he's the oldest.
Okay, alis ka muna. Kuya first. Ay, sige. Yet, Baba, not yet. Not yet. That's not yours, Baba. Wait. No, that's not your Baba.
Zach, you'll break it.
That's not yours, Baba. That's not. Kanino to? But, oh, this. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. What you gonna say? Oh, what? Oh, card. Did you read that? How about the card? You have to read. You have to read first. Okay, you, Holly, this is yours, Holly.
Have a look on the front.
In front, there's a name.
Whoa, Zach.
It's your birthday? Huh? Open! Open! Wow! What you gonna say, Tito Dan and Tito Reyes? What you gonna say? You have to read the card. Sak, you have,
Six months old.
you have to read.
I know. Better late than never.
Reyes, Reyes, that's why he gave me a present. Card, yung card. Ano yung card ba? Tingnan mo yung card. Is that you? Look at the card.
Zach, that's you.
Wow! Ay! Thanks, Pompon! Wow! Oo! Oo! Wow, Baba!
You got other presents, so you got other
You have to read, Baba.
Not that many.
You have to read your... I think is that.
Is it your birthday?
Is it... Wow! You got presents as well. Did you see? Tingnan mo si Holly, oh. Ano, Holly? Wow! That's the different one. What you gonna? Wow! Wow, that's nice from Tita. Lovely. What did you? Thank you. Han, look at Holly Han. Vanity set and makeup. Sino yan?
Sa akin yun.
Ay, kay Tita Lai yan, oh.
Here's this one, Baba. This side.
Wow, what's that, Holly? Ay, may pa-light pa talaga siya.
Tanggalin mo lang maliliit one.
Oo, okay lang. What's that, Baba?
Let's open it na, Baba.
It's good to play outside.
Mandalas monkey.
Wow! Look at this, Baba. What's that? What's that? That's nice.
Yay!
Come on up here, you're trampoline.
Holly. Holly.
Battery pa na
Oh, Holly, look at... Holly, busy siya sa makeup. Look at sa makeup, oh. Talaga, oh, sige. Oh,
Sparkly box.
wow.
Just take everything out and then
Okay. Okay. Holly, Holly, look, oh, look, Tito Neil. Holly, 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 here. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Who's there? To open? Who wants to open?
Open.
Who's this? What you gonna say? Elsa. Si Elsa ba to?
Yeah, surely.
Oh, it's Elsa.
Yeah, it's
Oh, tama. Elsa. Sabi niya, Elsa. Wow.
No, I think it's on the other side. Kayo yan, di ba? On the other side.
That's not yours.
you probably have to charge it up.
Wow. Don't lose it, Baba, huh? Let me see.
Is it too big?
Is it too big or
It's, I think, okay la. Baba, let me see. Ang sexy, oh. Ang cute.
butterfly siya muna?
Cute nga. Ang ganda. Bigay ni Reis, oh, tsaka ni Dan.
Ay, kasya naman.
Oh, tapos pwede naman siya ilagay dito. Oh, dyan ba, oh. Isabi.
Gamit niya naman.
Oo, matagal. Ay, ganda. Guys, tapos na yung party. Ayun na si Dan, oh. Si Dan tsaka si Mark ang naguhugas. Ayun si Dan. Oh, siya na nagugas, guys. Ayaw niya akong pahugasin. Siya daw maglaro, oh.
That's right.
Ready? Car. I didn't make it. Person. Ay, ano? It's
Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Breakfast na. What do you want? Oh, may ano dito, L plate dito. Ay, sinisipa. Ako na.
push mo yan. Thank you very much.
Yung kartero po. Alam mo yung kartero? Oh, yan na po. Nag-drop off na siyang newspaper dito. Ayan si Lai. Good morning, Lai.
Morning.
Kumain na kami. Tapos na mag-breakfast. Ayun, football daw siya. Oh. Ayan si Reis.
Ala, ang ganda. Hindi masyadong malamig.
Oo nga.
Galing
Triathlon daw siya eh.
Kasya ka doon sa bike.
Ha?
May car dito.
Kaya nga, kay TJ yan.
Saan ka gawin ko? Saan ko dyan? Sasakit ako dyan. Puso.
Kalahati pala. Akala ko bilog lang siya na. Guys,
Nahulog si Dan.
tahin daw to ni Reis. Ay, bago umalis.
Sabi ni Dan, kailan birthday ni John? Bigyan natin tayo.
Yung sira.
Gago.
Yay! Baba!
Wala daw kasing taba dito.
Mga bata. Kunin mo si Veronica. Mark, look at mama, ha? Wow! You're riding na, Baba. Wave, hi! Say hi!
Hey, look at mama ha.
Look at mama daw. Oh.
Look at mama, labas na crack.
Oo, may alkan siya.
Labas lubot. Alikan siya. Say to mama, Mom, the wheels are flat.
Mark.
The wheels on the side.
Look at mama, Mark.
Look at
Tumutuwa si Holly, oh.
Mark.
Okay.
Anong malaki? Kalahati siya, Day. Baba, you like it? You like it, Baba? Okay, that's it.
Sige, ikaw na. Marunong ka na? Dapat ano man na, may swimming pool kayo dito.
Ay, hindi. Anong maintenance nun? Guys, naglaro kami ng patintero. Nanalo kami ni... Ang kakampi ko si Ray, tsaka si Lai. Tapos si Neil, si Lau, tsaka si Kat. sila, pero wala. Ang lalaki nila, pero
Hindi naman.
napuwing namin sila, guys.
So, hindi na masyado.
Tapos ngayon may pag-games ako.
Yung kayabangan, ano-anuhan naman ay. Masyado mayabang, oy.
May pag-games ako sa kanila, guys. Eto,
sige, pass the part
isa
na,
lang to. Ang mechanics ko is magpi-play ako ng music. Magpi-play ako ng music na siguro 1 minute or 50 seconds. Kung sino ang mahintuan ng music sa kanya to. Kasi isa lang to. Oh. So, yan.
Sige, sige.
Okay.
Ay, Neil, can I have that? Thank you. Diyan mo na lang, Lodi, please. Diha na.
That's fine.
Mag-ano na lang, tas yung ano no copyright.
Manito,
No copyright ba?
Ibahin na lang natin yung music.
Yung sa ano mga YouTube na lang na ano. Kasi at least hindi mo alam kung kaya. At saka maiksi lang siya.
Gusto ko yung mga kanta. Let me be the one to break
Mga
it
copyright
up.
nga.
Mga copyright. Kasya ba kayo?
Uy, alam ko tumag to ni Ariana nung first birthday.
Kilik ka lang sa'yo. Papalaro ka.
Sandali. Ano nga,
Papalaro-laro ka.
ano nga yung vlog? Ano ba yung, ano, ayun, yung library?
YouTube Music Library.
Sige.
Oo. Manito.
Library music ba yun?
Audio. Hindi ba
Audio. So, ano, yung ano lang, yung maiksi lang.
Mayroon mga 50 minutes.
107, yun, 107 pong pa sa taas.
Ang laki na yun. Mga second.
Ayan na, 1 minute and 07.
Nasaan?
Ito po.
Basag.
Okay.
Maya makeup yun. Basag na.
Okay, eto na guys.
Okay na, guys.
Pero dapat, bato. Oh, dapat
Sige,
kayo. Dapat,
Sa'yo start.
hindi man ako.
Si Dington.
Sige.
Usog ka doon. Ay,
Usog ka dito ka.
Oh,
Yan.
Diyan kayo para makita kayo. Sige.
Aliyah.
Dapat bilisan.
Ay, si Aliyah naman yan. Ano, oy.
Baba, halika, baba.
Halin ko na umalis. Sige na.
Dali.
Aswag yan. Binibilang ko lang. Ano yan? Basag na yan.
Sige, mababasag. Dalian nyo na. Live.
Skip niyo sila. Binisyon si Kat. Sira na yung ano.
Wala, hindi ba?
Kita na kung nanila ko. Ano na ba ni Aliyah eh?
Ganyan yung laro niya.
Ala, ialisan mo doon sa ano, ha? May doon?
Ano? Teka lang.
Ayan na.
Never full to, never full.
Never full ka dyan. Si Grace nakakuha, guys. Wala man, oh.
Wala, may packing from Sephora.
Si Fu.
Ano to?
Eto, conditioner to. So, eto, maganda to. Sabon siya, powder.
Powder?
Oo.
Sabon?
Oo. Japan yan.
Mga hatag.
Tapos ito, Dai, dito mo siya, yung parang mask siya, ilalagay mo siya.
Gusto mo?
Ay, dami pala.
Guys, hindi na nagpasta parcel tapos nahingi rin pa pala.
Man kami. Ang dami, tig-isa tayo.
Ay, pagkamyan man best.
Ano yan? Eye mask? Ayan ang laman. Eto, Japan siya. Japan. Oo. Japan siya.
Diyan siya, tanggalin natin.
Ayos na sila.
Guys, uwi na kami.
Uwi na sila.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manay. Thank you, Manay. Thank you so much, Manay. Balik
See you. Balik yata sila sa ano.
See you in 2 weeks.
Balik sila. See you. Bye. See you. Next year nga yan. Bye.
Bye, Manay. Thank you so much, Manay. See you in 2 weeks.
See you in 2 weeks.
See you in whenever.
Bakit?
Kasi wala, lagi kami magkasama.
Kakaumay. Ayan, ang pasensya. Bye. Thank you for coming.
Naumay na daw sila.
Bye.
Pagod na ba?
Thank you much. Bye. Hindi pala joke. Mag-ingat kayo.
Bye. Bye, Dad. Thank you for coming. Yes. Ingat. Drive carefully.
Paano nag-enjoy kayo sa Shenda ko?
Shenda. Shenda di.
Shenda ko rin. Berto.
Oy, manunod. See ya. I'll see ya.
Come down.
See ya, Tommy.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for visiting us. I'll see you in 2 weeks. What's the motorbike?
Wala na kami naihat.
Bye kami.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Hali.
Uwi na kami, guys.
Going home.
Bye-bye. Bye, Manay. May salamat. Bye.
Kumpal talaga. Kumpal talaga sila. Oh, how about Tita Race? Give a cuddle to Tita Race. Yeah. How about Tito Dan?
I already said that. High five.
Ay! Yung eyeglasses. Lakas siya. Kuya, bye. Bye to Tita Race. And Tito Dan, say bye-bye now. Bye. Bye. Ay, bye siya. Yeah. How about Tita Race? Kado.
See the race.
Tita Race, oh.
I'm here.
Bye.
TJ.
Say see ya.
There, mate. Put them back in there.
Say see ya. Magli-lake din kayo? Alis na sila, oh.
There you go.
Bye.
See, mate.
Bye.
There you go.
Bye. Bye.
Have a good holiday.
Cheers, thank you. See you guys.
Me who you see, 'cause I think